Trucks loaded with refuse from Tema and Accra have created long queues at the Kpone landfill site. According to the head of waste management at the Tema Metropolitan Assembly, Mr. Solomon Noy, the Kpone landfill site is 99.9% used up and they are likely to close the site by December this year.
For many years, the Kpone landfill has been a site for the disposal of solid waste from Tema and Accra. After the old landfill site was closed down, a new site was constructed and opened for use in 2010. The new landfill site was expected to last between 15 to 20 years. It was designed to take 500 metric tons of solid waste daily, but the landfill site today receives over 3,000 metric tons of solid waste from Tema and Accra. The working space where trucks dump the refuse is choked, and managers at the site are currently having operational challenges, thereby creating long queues of trucks at the site. The head of waste management at the Tema Metropolitan Assembly, Mr. Solomon Noy, told GBC 24 that the landfill site is currently undergoing operational challenges and requires some intervention. He said the site is 99.9% used up and will be closed by December this year.
As we speak, the design capacity has far been exceeded, and we are receiving close to 3,000 metric tons of solid waste every blessed day due to AMA's inability to have their sites at Insomnia and other places. We know most of their dumping sites have been closed down. You can talk about the Achimota, Oblogo and the rest. So they all haul their waste to the place, and we are hitting 3,000 metric tons. And this we are saying by facts because we have a weighing bridge at the site and we do daily recordings of whatever tonnages they bring to the site.
According to Mr. Noy, the landfill site has reached a height of 25 meters, and anything beyond this could result in serious health hazards in the Kpone township. He added that the assembly is considering the construction of a waste energy plant.
We think the direction to go is to do waste incineration, so that we'll do what we call a waste to energy plant, where we will incinerate all the waste and then produce what we call electricity out of it. Through the one district, one factory, there should be specialized factories dedicated all over the country, not only centralized in Accra, but the middle belt and then the northern part, where every separable or separated waste can be taken to.
Mr. Solomon Noy suggested that it is important for the public to adopt waste segregation, and government must also find the required technology to deal with waste management in the country.